I can't wait. Look. It's bigger than me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be unboxing my new screen, like my computer screen for gaming. So we actually got this one, guys. Ouch! There's a little bit heavy. We got this Samsung 32 inches curved monitor. So I can't wait. Look, it's bigger than me. So this is what we are gonna be unboxing. So all we have to do is, of course, my power knife, and we'll see. I can't wait to check this one downstairs later on. La 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 la. Whew. Whoop. Dang, dang, dang. Ow. Okay. So, of course, I'm just gonna put this one over here so we can see it before I book this thing. Ouch. I can't. No. Turn it. So, guys, this is gonna be the base of our screen. And this is gonna be our power adapter. And this is gonna be our HDMI cable and extra power adapter additional for this one here. And of course, this is gonna be this is part of the base. We are gonna be look. So we are gonna be setting it up. Cool. We got the white one, so it looks so nice here. So let's try to set up the thing. My new screen is white because I'm wearing white today. It's so heavy. Oops. Okay, that's why I'm so stupid all the time. Here it is. So we are just gonna screw this one here, thing, torn. So our base is good already. Okay, so our base is ready. So we are gonna be we'll just put that one aside and gonna be our screen. Whoa. So this is our screen. This one comes with a HDMI, and there's another DPN, and there's for the charger and for the headset. So we are gonna be setting this one up downstairs, and let's try it if it's going to work. Guys, this is our old setup, and we are gonna be replacing this screen to a bigger screen, the one we just unboxed. So I am going to be setting this one up, and we'll see, and then we'll see if it's gonna be a little bit better. So for now, we have to remove this one away from our space so we can put our new screen. It's time to set up our new screen. So I have this one. Okay. So we are putting that HDMI first before we electrocute it ourselves. So our curve, and it's really cool, guys. Our old screen, and we'll have this, so we'll try if it works, if it's really connected to our computer. Yeah. So let's adjust our table. Okay, let's try. It worked! It is working. Let's say I am gonna be looking for my YouTube channel. I'm not logging here, guys, because I always use my MacBook to do my So this is actually that I can watch my Netflix or anything movie here or YouTube, and of course I can do my gaming here. So this is our new screen right now, and it's really cool. Look, the curve here, you can actually compare to the second screen. So that. Hey everyone, thank you for watching my new unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think and leave me a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell notification down below so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So again, thank you, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.